Hello, students. Good morning. I hope you are learning well at homes. Our topic is running Tenali Raman and the horse traders, in which today I am going to tell you about the language structure. Here you can see in this topic there is a language structure. So, in this language structure, you can see what is there. There is a topic called phrasal verbs. What is that? That is phrasal verbs. So today I am going to tell you about this phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs actually phrasal verbs are the verbs with some prepositions. Verbs with some prepositions, they are known as phrasal verbs. Okay, so in this topic, uh, there are many phrasal verbs, and what is the quality of phrasal verbs? Actually, phrasal verbs they mean something different. What we actually think. Okay, for example, if I tell you, like if I say put is a verb. Put means to put something on the table, put something on the in the cupboard. But if I say put out, it means something different. Put out means put out the candle. Put out candle means to stop burning of the candle. That is called put out. So it means a bit different from it actually appears. So these are the phrasal verbs. Here is as an introduction, it is given to you, and they are using only a single preposition, that is away, and with some of the verbs, and then how their meaning get different by adding this preposition to the different kind of verbs. Here you can see the first verb, it is given run away. Run away, running means to this phrasal verb meaning the same as it appears, as like run away means to leave quickly, to run away quickly. Okay, means to leave quickly from somewhere. You can write this run away. Like if you want to make a sentence, so you can use it like that: the thief ran away after seeing the police. Or the thief ran away to see the police. In this way you can make a sentence, or you may make some other sentence like he ran away to catch the train. Okay, and the verb you can change the tenses, like run, the second form ran I used to make the sentence. Okay, you can change the form of the verb while using it in a sentence. Like run, I used the second form of the verb ran. In the same way, you can see there is a next word, flew away. Flew away means to leave by flying. To leave by flying. If somebody is flying, if somebody leaves by flying, then it is called flew away. Like the word flew away from the tree. The word flew away from the tree. The crow flew away from the tree. The peacock flew away from the house. The parrot flew away from the cage. Isn't it? You can make your own sentences. Now, here, give away. Another word, another phrasal verb, give, and give is a verb, and away preposition is added, then it becomes a phrasal verb. Give away means to give up as a present. If you give something as a present, then you use give away. Like if I say to you, my father gave away a toy car on my birthday, or my mother gave away a wristwatch on my birthday, or my friend gave away a pencil box on my birthday. In this way, you can make any of your sentences. Now, the next verb it is pass away. Pass away means to die. Like if you say Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam passed away due to heart attack. And recently, if I say to you, there are a number of people, if you say anybody who passed away, many people passed away due to corona pandemic. You can make your sentences. And now you can see the next verb it is break away. Break away means to break from a group. If somebody or something is broken away from the group, that is called break away. For example, if I say to you, the lion broke away from his pride, or the cow broke away from his herd, or the cub broke away from the herd. The cubs are there in the lions and wolves, and you can see that the cub broke away from the pride, and a group of cattle is a herd. So you can say a calf broke away from the herd. In this way you can make your own sentences, isn't it? Now I like a cup of bowl broke away from the pack of wolves. In this way you can make your own sentences. Means there must be a group from which somebody is moving away, breaking away. Now a go away means to leave a place or a person. ठीक है, like go went gone, you can use any, the like he went away from Pune. If you are going permanently from some away from some person for a long time, then you can say he went away from Pune to Mumbai, or you can say he went away from Farrukhabad to Kanpur. Like if somebody get transferred and all that, then somebody moves. So you may say he went away from Farrukhabad to Bareilly. You may make some kind of sentences. I hope you can do that. Now you can see there is a verb throw away, to throw something useless. If something is useless you can throw, then it is called throw away. Like Ravi threw away his old pen. If it was old and broken, then we throw away in the dustbin. Like I threw away the garbage in the dustbin. And in this way you can write like anything useless. Like you can say Vaishnavi threw away the peels of banana in the dustbin. Peels of banana, they are useless, so you can write it. You can make sentences. Look away, to look on a different side of the someone. Look away means to look on the different side of something or someone. Means if somebody is looking everything, then it is called to look away. Look away means to look at the different kind of someone. Means uh, he looked away. He looked away. He looked away the building. He looked away the building, the school building. Other side of the school building. He looked away. And you may say, in this way you can make this sentence. He looked away the school building means he looked away the other side of the school building. So you may use like this. He looked away the school building. He looked away the temple means other side of the temple. In this way you can make the sentences. Now, take away means to rob or steal. If somebody take away means take something by force. And like robbers, dacoits, they loot you, they plunder you. So they take the things by force without your will. That is called robbery. If you are moving with your money and somebody, some 2 or 3 people come, and they stop you and they take your things and run away, this is called robbery. So that is what take away means, to take something, to rob something or to steal something. So like the robbers take away his money. The robbers took away his money. In this way you can make the sentences. Like the thief took away all the jewelry in the house. Do you understand? In this way you can make, this is said that try to make sentences using any of the 5 phrasal verb, but you need to make sentences for all. Okay, all the phrasal verbs that are given here, you need to make sentence for each phrasal verb. All right, I told you, if there is any doubt then you can ask me. All right, thank you.